Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo cake, updated. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and prepping pans so you don't rush later. Combine dry ingredients in one bowl and cream butter with sugar until fluffy in another container. Fold eggs and vanilla into the creamed mixture, then alternate adding dry mix and milk for a smooth batter. Gently stir in crushed Oreos, saving some crumbs for the top when you frost. Use gentle, consistent motion when folding Oreos into batter to keep the cake airy and tender, and avoid overmixing after adding flour. Place pans in the center of the oven for even heat and rotate once halfway if your oven runs hot or cools unevenly. Test doneness with a toothpick. A few moist crumbs are perfect. Let layers cool before frosting so the icing does not slide off, and level tops if needed. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and tap like so I can keep sharing easy baking tips and tasty projects. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers are brilliant for storing leftover cake slices and preventing frosting messes in your fridge, which makes sharing or taking treats on the go much simpler. They stack neatly and save counter space, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a stable, creamy frosting, whip butter with powdered sugar, then add cream until you reach spreadable stiffness, or use stabilized whipped cream if you prefer lighter texture. Apply a thin crumb coat to trap crumbs, chill for about 15 minutes, then add the final thicker layer and smooth with an offset spatula. Press reserved Oreo crumbs along the sides and place halved cookies around the top edge for a classic, indulgent presentation that holds up well when sliced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.